Can I get everybody's attention, please? We want to thank y'all for coming out today. This is supposed to have been our 6th car show of the year, but it's our first and last. So we do appreciate y'all coming out. We appreciate the Bulluck staff, Trey and his brother, for sponsoring this event and going with us on this to have it, even though we had some issues with COVID-19 that we tried to address, and we hope you all did address that. But we do thank you very much for coming out and with this event. I'm going to start giving out the awards, so when I call your name, please come up to the table and get one of these trophies. Start at that end right there. We're not going to hand them out, shake your hand, hug it or anything. Just come on up and get them, and then everybody will be happy. Okay? By the way, the 50-50 is how much? $1,016 to the winner. Now do that. All right, we're going to start with the Classic 1 division. As I call your name, please come up and get a trophy. 1970 Chevelle Curtis Nichols. All right, get your tickets ready. We're going to give out 50-50. Right here. It's the yellow ticket. No, it's not. All right, here's the ticket number. 8478399. Right here. Jack. Choice Award, as well as the Best of Show Awards. Get a trophy on the Best of Show. You get a trophy and $300 with the trophy. You're going to get the man with the money. There's a Sponsor's Choice Award that the staff here at Don Bulluck Chevrolet chose. And it goes to number 121 of 70 Chevelle, Jeff Stevens. Trophy and $200.
All right. I'm going to put the tickets away. Thanks. Thanks, guys.
We did have 2 clubs that brought 10 cars each. So we're going to give each one of those clubs $200 if they'll come up. It's the Royal Stallion Mustang Club and the RTP Corvette Club. All right, now the Best of Show. We're going to go down each category. On the foreign car division, the award goes to 1971 Triumph Lee Welton. Lee used to come to all our shows and show this car, but he passed away last year. So his buddies from Greenville brought his car down here and registered in his name. Thank you. Best of Show Truck, 2005 Chevy SSR, Mel Ogwood. Yes, sir. Best of Show Ford, 56 T-Bird, Ralph Burwell. Okay. Best of Show GM, 55 Chevy Bel Air Robbie Cross. That's to show Mopar, 1966 Belvedere 2, Bill Staten. In the other category, 1941 Willis, Rod Charlton. And the Corvettes. The Best of Show Corvette goes to a 62 convertible owned by Christopher and Nancy Bolden. Again, on behalf of the Eastern Carolina Corvette Club and Don Bulluck Chevrolet, thank you again for coming out and supporting this event. I'm sure if you're interested in buying a Chevrolet or a product, that they would be glad to talk to you before you leave. We hope next year is a better year for us than this past year as far as the shows and as far as dealing with the virus goes and other things that it affected. So we wish all of you good health, and we hope to see you in the spring. Thank you very much.